The vastness of space has long captured the human imagination, a shimmering tapestry of stars and planets that beckons us to explore beyond the confines of our blue planet. For centuries, we have gazed up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond the familiar confines of Earth. The dream of space travel has transformed from a fanciful notion into a burgeoning reality, fueled by technological advancements and an insatiable curiosity. As we stand at the precipice of a new era in exploration, the question arises, when will we leave Earth for good? To understand the future of space travel, we must first appreciate the milestones that have brought us to this point. The 20th century marked a turning point in our relationship with space. The launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1950 ignited the space race and captured the world's attention, leading to human spaceflight with Yuri Gagarin's historic orbit in 1961. The Apollo missions culminated in the iconic moon landing of Apollo 11 in 1960, a moment that solidified humanity's capacity to leave our planet and return. Yet despite these monumental achievements, space travel remained an endeavor reserved for a select few. Astronauts trained for years and equipped with cutting-edge technology. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the landscape of space travel is undergoing a seismic shift. The emergence of private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic has democratized access to space, inviting a new generation of explorers, scientists, and tourists. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket has successfully launched and returned astronauts to the International Space Station, while Blue Origin's New Shepard has taken civilians on brief suborbital flights. These developments signal a paradigm shift. Space is no longer solely the domain of government agencies, but is becoming accessible to private citizens and commercial enterprises. The question of when we will leave Earth is no longer about whether we can do it, but rather how we will do it sustainably and safely. As we contemplate the future, several key factors will influence our ability to leave Earth permanently. One of the most pressing issues is the need for sustainable life support systems. For long-duration missions to Mars or beyond, we must develop technology that can recycle air, water, and food. The challenges of living in a closed environment far from Earth are profound, requiring innovations in agriculture, waste management, and energy generation. Research conducted on the International Space Station has provided valuable insights into these challenges, but much work remains to be done. Another critical aspect of future space travel is propulsion technology. Current rocket systems, while effective, are limited by the physics of chemical propulsion. To reach distant destinations, we will need to explore alternative methods of propulsion, such as nuclear thermal propulsion or ion drives, which could significantly reduce travel times. The concept of a spacecraft powered by solar sails, harnessing the energy of the sun, is also being investigated. These advancements could open up new frontiers, allowing us to venture deeper into our solar system and beyond. As we consider the potential for human settlement beyond Earth, Mars stands out as the most viable candidate. The red planet has captivated scientists and dreamers alike, with its similarities to Earth and the tantalizing possibility of past or present life. Missions like NASA's Perseverance rover are paving the way for future human exploration, gathering data on Martian geology and climate. However, establishing a permanent human presence on Mars will require overcoming significant hurdles, including radiation exposure, psychological challenges, and the logistics of transporting people and supplies across the vastness of space. The timeline for leaving Earth en masse is ambitious yet uncertain. Some experts predict that we could see the first crewed missions to Mars within the next decade, with the possibility of establishing a human settlement by the 2030s. However, these timelines are contingent upon successful testing of technologies, securing funding, and international collaboration. The complexities of space travel demand a multifaceted approach, bringing together governments, private companies, and scientific institutions to work toward a common goal. As we envision a future where humans live and work beyond Earth, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of space colonization. The prospect of terraforming Mars or mining asteroids raises questions about our responsibility to these celestial bodies. Should we impose our presence on worlds that may harbor their own ecosystems, or should we tread lightly, preserving their natural state? The lessons learned from our stewardship of Earth must guide our actions as we venture into the cosmos. Moreover, the future of space travel is not solely about reaching new destinations. It is also about the profound impact it will have on humanity as a whole. The experience of viewing Earth from space has a transformative effect on astronauts, often described as the overview effect. This perspective fosters a deep appreciation for our planet's fragility and interconnectedness, igniting a desire to protect and preserve it. As we embark on journeys beyond our atmosphere, we must carry this awareness with us, using our explorations as a catalyst for positive change on Earth. The dream of leaving Earth is not merely a technological challenge. It is a reflection of our collective aspirations, our desire to explore the unknown, and our quest for knowledge. The future of space travel holds the promise of discovery, innovation, and unity. As we prepare to take our next steps into the cosmos, we must remember that our journey is not just about reaching new worlds. It is about understanding ourselves and our place in the universe. In the coming decades, we will witness a renaissance in space exploration, one that will redefine our relationship with the cosmos. The vision of a future where humans inhabit other planets is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It is a tangible goal, driven by the ingenuity and determination of countless individuals and organizations. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we must remain vigilant stewards of our home planet, ensuring that our journeys into space are guided by a sense of responsibility and respect. The question of when we will leave Earth is one that invites speculation and excitement. While we may not have a definitive answer, the trajectory of our advancements suggests that the next few decades will be pivotal. The dream of interplanetary travel is within our grasp, and with each launch, each mission, we come closer to realizing it. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we must embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, forging a path that honors our past while embracing the boundless possibilities of the future. Ultimately, the future of space travel is a reflection of our humanity, a testament to our curiosity, resilience, and desire to explore. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded that we are not merely inhabitants of Earth. We are explorers by nature, driven by an unquenchable thirst for discovery. The journey into space is not just about leaving our planet, it is about expanding our horizons, both literally and figuratively. As we prepare to embark on this grand adventure, we must do so with a sense of wonder, humility, and a commitment to ensuring that our legacy among the stars is one of exploration, understanding, and stewardship. As we look to the future, we must also recognize the role of education and inspiration in fueling the next generation of space explorers. The stories of astronauts, scientists, and innovators who have paved the way for space travel serve as beacons of hope and motivation. By fostering a culture of curiosity and encouraging young minds to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, we can ensure that the dream of space travel continues to thrive. In classrooms around the world, children are captivated by the wonders of the universe, their imaginations ignited by the prospect of becoming astronauts or scientists. The importance of fostering this passion cannot be overstated. It is the fuel that will drive future innovations and discoveries. As we invest in education and outreach, we are not only preparing the next generation for the challenges of space travel, but also instilling in them a sense of responsibility for the planet they call home. The future of space travel is also intricately linked to our ability to collaborate on a global scale. The challenges of exploring the cosmos are vast and complex, requiring cooperation among nations, organizations, and individuals. The International Space Station serves as a shining example of what can be achieved when we work together, transcending borders and uniting in pursuit of a common goal. As we look to the stars, we must carry this spirit of collaboration with us, recognizing that our shared humanity is the foundation upon which we can build a sustainable future in space. In conclusion, the future of space travel is a tapestry woven from the threads of innovation, exploration, and responsibility. As we embark on this journey, we must remain steadfast in our commitment to ensuring that our ventures into the cosmos are guided by a sense of purpose and a desire to protect our planet. The question of when we will leave Earth may not have a definitive answer, but the path ahead is filled with promise and possibility. With each step we take, we are not just reaching for the stars. We are forging a legacy that will inspire generations to come. The universe awaits, and as we prepare to answer its call, we do so with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the challenges and wonders that lie ahead.